Hello everyone, so I'm back again today. I'll be actually doing a video on my nails. I actually did dip acrylic. It's a dip acrylic that you can buy from Sally's or from your local beauty store that sell it, or you can also get it from Amazon. So the one that I have, I actually bought it from Sally's. It's a dip, but I have a different color because I bought different colors that they had there that they actually supply. So the color I have today is a pink color, and I actually use it to my nails. I also glued tips to it, so once you see the video you will see exactly what I'm talking about. I can walk you step to steps. Okay, before I dive into the video, you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell alarm on so you can be able to see all of the videos that's yet to come that I will be actually putting on here, you guys. And don't forget to share this video, give me a thumbs up, and tell me what you think about it. Yeah, to hit that subscribe button, you guys. All right, let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm using the nail glue that came with the actual kit for the nail dip, and I'm just painting it over the nail. That is what gonna hold the acrylic to it, which I'm gonna dip into the color acrylic. Now this color is a future pink. I'm just dusting off the excess of the acrylic, and the more you dip it, it gets thicker. So you just keep applying the glue and dip it again, and it will get thicker as you go. To harden it, I will show you the next part. So just give me a minute. I'm just gonna dip it. I'm just making sure it gets thick. Okay, dusting it off. It's coming out real good. I just like to do it at least 3 to 4 times, maybe 5, depending on how thick it looks and feel. Now I'm gonna dust it off. Okay, I'm gonna do another step of adding the glue to another nail, and then I'm gonna continue to repeat the same thing for each nail. Okay, so now you guys, I am applying the activator, and that is harden the actual acrylic. So it hardens the acrylic so that you can go ahead and file it and shape it the way you want it. Okay, I'm filing it. So I'm going to do all the nails just like this. Okay, just still filing my nail. Okay, so now I'm going to actually go ahead and use the drill, the nail drill, to clean up my nail all the way around and smoothing the nail with the nail drill. And that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to continue to repeat the same thing on each nail. Okay, you guys, I'm getting ready to apply the base coat to my nails. And after I apply it to each nail, I will put it underneath the UV light so it can dry on 30 seconds. Okay, you guys, just letting it dry underneath the UV light. Okay, this is the Future Pink color that I'm using. Okay, and this is the base coat and the top coat. Okay, you guys, I'm using alcohol for my nails to clean off the sticky part of the nail once it's finished drying underneath the UV light. And I'm using 50% alcohol. Now, it's your choice of what percentage you want to use of your alcohol to rub off the stickiness on the nail after it's dry. It's your choice. Now, my nails, look at it. It looks really good, you guys. I like it at this length, especially with the job that I have. I'm actually working. And again, this is a future pink, you guys. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that bell notification, you guys. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and drop a comment in the bottom. Bye.